Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video we're going to be doing an update on the patio garden. And if there's one thing that should be obvious right now is how critical it is to have healthy, nutritious food grown outside your door, in your neighborhood, in your region. All right, let's get into it. Alright, so we got a couple containers less than last time. Actually planning on moving in next month, so kind of consolidating a bit, but as we're here, I wanted to get some food growing. Most of what you're seeing is actually overwintered from last fall. So we got our green onions, chard, strawberries coming back, looking good. That's about it. Planted a bunch of beans, and this is about the only one that took off. Everyone else got eaten by something. Birds maybe, I'm not exactly sure. But we got some good looking pea plants growing up there. We got a volunteer squash that came out of the worm compost, so we're not exactly sure what that is, but letting it go. Of course, we got comfrey. It's another one of those volunteer squash coming here as well. Figured they'll fill in after the peas. And then back here we got some herbs, some more comfrey, some mint, rosemary, oregano, sage. That's all overwintered. New, got some basil, some ornamentals, daylily, great plant to have. Some ornamental grasses, just transplanting, and a few bits and bobs of some ornamentals. Let's check in on the pond. So we've had to rearrange things, simplify it a little bit, move the pickerel weed into the center, as unfortunately the water chestnut didn't come back. I think it wasn't getting enough sun, so it wasn't as vigorous as it was the previous year, even though the winter was much more mild. Got a few more potted up water lilies. Got some newly introduced duckweed, and the American pondweed didn't come back. All the fish are doing well. We got a couple new rushes in there as well. And now this is an interesting little addition. We got our window box pea trellis, and you can see it's pretty dramatic, the sun exposure time. So to the far right gets the most sun, and then tracks down to this one. And that is because this little cutout here and a third cutout here. So since we're facing east, the sun is traveling that way and then goes behind the building. So the plant on the right here gets the most sun and therefore is pretty dramatically the tallest. And we finally got some flowers going, so hopefully even a little, there's a little pea at a starter somewhere. No, I've lost him. Where did you go, little guy? He's hiding. Oh, there he is. Totally looking in the wrong spot. Right there. And this is just some grass clippings from the maintenance guys, and keeping this soil potting mix hybrid nice and evenly moist. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that update. I hope you're getting some plants going. If you already got a garden, get out there, teach your neighbors, whoever's willing. Don't go bloodying your knuckles on doors that won't open. But people are really coming around to how critical it is to have healthy food at arm's reach. There's no better time than right now to get that local regional food security up and running. It's going to benefit everyone. Health, food security. All right, If you enjoyed that, hit the like button. If you're getting something out of these videos, consider subscribing or share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.